Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and today we're gonna see how to configure Flatpak on any distribution. So go to your browser and search for Flatpak and go to the flatpak.organization and here click on the get setup and choose your distribution. Mine is Ubuntu. First of all, run the first command. It will install the Flatpak on your distribution. Then run this command. What it will do, it will create a plugin to install a software, GNOME software on your system, so that you don't have to install software from terminal every time. Okay, now run this third command. What it will do is it will add repository to your distribution so that you don't have to search for the apps manually on the browser. So these are the flatup.organization and it have all the flatup flatpak applications, sorry. So you can install, these are from here. So it says that first, after doing these three steps, reboot your system. So I'm gonna reboot this, then I'll come back. So so friends, we have restarted our PC and you can see that there is a software application on our distribution and you will have to, now you can search for any flatpak application here. Okay, go here, over here, and search for Telegram and you can see that it is a flatpak application. Let me show you. Okay, it is a flatpak application. You can see that the source. Okay, so you can install just pressing the install button. We are not going to do that. For some reason, I think the app center is not showing the flatpak application. I don't know why. Let me do this over here and it is not showing. So you can install from this software application. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.